If your cabinet won't close properly, you probably don't know these 5 secret tips. 1. Tighten any loose screws on the hinges and hardware. Sometimes that's all it takes. 2. If the cabinet frame is weak or wobbly, install a new corner brace inside for extra stability. 3. Something inside the cabinet might be blocking the door from closing. Remove any obstacles. 4. If hinges, latches, or magnetic catches are damaged, swap them out for new ones. 5. Make small adjustments, test, and repeat until the cabinet closes just right. Try these tips and get your cabinet working like new again.